2.5 to 1, and then price is reversed. So small gain.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got one. Look at it. Oh my gosh, just a little baby.
Back at it again, traveling and trading, coming to you from Jaco, Costa Rica. Big day. We're gonna do some trading, gonna do some traveling. I got an update for you guys. I got an update since that last travel vlog. If you haven't seen it, I will show you. I got AC. I got AC installed in here. We got the bed, and we also got a new TV. The owners came in from Tennessee and they hooked me up with AC and a TV. So that was really nice. And then that's kind of the setup. And the balcony over there, and you got the ocean view. Somebody correct me, they're like, it's not ocean front. No, it's ocean view. So I can see the ocean. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. Okay, so we're gonna do some trading, traveling. Let's get into it. Okay, we got a trade review for you guys. First trade of the day, Aussie yen 5 minutes. Quick lower time frame trade. I'm making the adjustments that I talked about in the last video of my 6-month review. Here on this one, we broke downward trend. We also removed this opposing supply zone right here, rally based drop. So we had a very strong move to the upside with 2 very strong black candlesticks. That's letting me know that a lot of buyers stepped into the market. We are in an uptrend. We also have price hitting and above the 200 moving average. So I have a bunch of things. I'm breaking trend, I'm removing supply. It's a very good quality score of a zone based off of a set of criteria. We're above the 200 moving average. We're reacting off of the 200 moving average, price coming straight down into it. There's a bunch of things, and that's basically what you're trying to do. Every time you're trying to get into a trade, you need to have a lot of criteria to say why prices are going to go up or why prices are going to go down, right? That's essentially why you're getting long or short, is because you have more evidence to say that price is going up or down in a given direction, right? That's essentially all you're doing. That is all you're doing. So this is how it turned out. We'll get to it in a second. Not gonna lie, I was sweating bullets right here. I didn't want to have the live camera recording because, you know, it would have taken so long using the 5-minute candlesticks. I would have been here for like an hour. So I'm just using this little button, bar replay. And I had my take profit right up here, if I recall. Yeah. 2.5 to 1, and then price is reversed. So very small, still doing the small risk from the adjustments that we talked about in the 6-month review. But there was also, I'm going to do that for one more week. So far, there hasn't been a lot of trade setups. I'm not sure if I really like it. I think I'm going to go back to my original way of how I trade. But I'm still going to trade it for another week. I'm going to finish out the month and then carry on for one more week into July. Then I'll make my decision. There is another trade also. This is coming up soon. Soybeans. I don't know. I just love buying commodities right now. I was posting this in my, where is this? Hey, look, there's me. Where's my watch list? We go down to my watch list. I was posting this one right here. We could just look at it here on the watch list. Soybeans, really good demand zone right here. It's held price once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. I love buying commodities right now. I think they're very undervalued, especially when prices have already dropped like 10% over the last couple weeks. Sitting inside demand, long-term very bullish. Inflation will get worse. Food shortages, probably the war will continue to grow. So I definitely like mine. And then I saw this break in soybeans, 15-minute downward trend, opposing zones being removed. You guys can see that, right? Very easy, you guys can get it. Lower low, lower high, very strong move to the upside right here. Okay. Price above the 200 moving average, bullish commodities long term. I really like this actually. What I'm waiting for is, I'm waiting basically for 3 candlesticks to close. So normally I would enter right here on this pullback. Normally I would, I still like it, but I'm waiting for another 2 candlesticks to close. And then if prices are still inside my zone, or if I can get a little pullback into it, then I will get long. If not, then I don't get into it, right? So I think you guys kind of understand what I'm trying to do right here on this type of trade. with that top-down analysis, right? And if you guys want to learn more about this type of trading, head over to moneyballtrading.com and you can learn how exactly I am trading this system of supply and demand. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, and you can always reach out to me on social media at Moneyball Austin, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You let me know, and if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me down below in the comment section. We are getting into that summertime, so the market is slowing down, but not really in my opinion, because you look at the average true range, the ATR, it's still averaging like double of what it was 2 years ago. So in my opinion, I guess what's been going on over the last 2 years, it's even difficult to say. I mean, I wouldn't even say it's down, because the volatility is so high right now still compared over the last 2 years, 3 years. But we are going into the summer months, so some strategies tend to slow down, and I have seen an impact with the supply and demand traders. But it could be different for other traders. Like, different methodologies have different slow periods of time, right? So hey, we're getting into that summertime. It's always a good time to reflect, to get away from your trading. Long weekend, July 1st, July 4th. Markets are closed on Monday. Let's get into the traveling part. We are going to do some fishing by the river. I always wanted to go fishing by this river here in Hako. It's at the north end of the beach. See if we can catch anything. I see people fishing out there all the time. Let's go. Okay, my friends, we are here back with another fishing portion of the travel vlog. Where are we? We are north of the river today. Let me give you guys a little tour. It's high tide right now, so it's a little difficult. Absolutely beautiful. I was here yesterday with a couple friends right here fishing. Didn't catch anything. I was talking to my people on Instagram. They said, keep going back, you're gonna catch a fish there. And they thought, man, that's a beautiful spot. It is, it's absolutely beautiful. Check it out. You got the mountains, you got the jungle, you got the Rio. Absolutely beautiful. So hey, let me show you guys the setup. It's the iconic bottle in a line. I gotta set up this camera somewhere so you guys can enjoy my fishing. All right. Yeah, I met a couple guys here yesterday. About 4 of us. We were four of us fishing right here. None of us caught anything, but the other guys were having lots of luck yesterday. Oh, this is so much fun. All right. Now, today we're going to be using chicken as bait. I always have a lot more success with shrimp, but there's only frozen shrimp. I couldn't get unfrozen shrimp, and I don't want to have to de-thaw it. I want it fresh shrimp. Couldn't get it. You think you'd be able to get it? Nope. So we're on the chicken, and we'll see how this goes. All right. I'm telling you, all I'm missing is a beer and a cigar. A nice cigar and a nice beer. Absolutely beautiful. It's why it's so popular is you got the river that goes all the way up, like into Costa Rica, and this is where it comes down into the ocean. So hopefully we can get some fish. There are crocodiles in here. Once in a while, somebody goes into the river and dies because a crocodile ends up eating them, or a crocodile swims through the river and goes into the ocean. Here we go. Let's do it. We've caught lots of fish here on this fishing show. Never caught a crab before, so that's the first one. No, we didn't catch it. We can't count that. Because it got right to the shore. I was going down to pick it up. My camera stopped rolling, believe it or not. Like a mud crab or something like that. And then the bait pops out of its mouth and it runs away. I feel like a crocodile is gonna come up out of nowhere and just... Because there has been crocodile attacks. Maybe I'll show you guys on some images of crocodile attacks here in Hako. Usually they happen, well, here in the river, literally this river, or the crocodiles leave the river and they go out to the ocean and people are surfing out there, and that's where they get bit. So I gotta have a crocodile scan every once in a while. It's my crocodile scan. It's absolutely beautiful. Don't you just love? You got the color of the river. Looks dirty, greasy. Beautiful backdrop, eh? My gosh. Love it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got one. Look at it. Oh my gosh, just a little baby. About 4 or 5 inches. What is that? You guys know? I caught it as I was pulling in my line. I just like snagged it. Look at that, eh? First time catching a fish in Costa Rica. We gotta love it, eh? Let's go.
So that's it. So I think we're gonna wrap it up here. Nothing too crazy. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys wanna follow my journey as I travel and trade around the world, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Anything about traveling, anything about trading. If you guys wanna join the private mentorship group, moneyballtrading.com, where you can sign up and I will teach you how to trade, as well as bring you through the masterclass about the common mistakes traders make. And if you want the full methodology, I will give that to you as well through a list of videos. So, hey, moneyballtrading.com, comment, like, subscribe. If you want to reach out to me on social media, @MoneyballAustin. See you in the next one. Let's go.